I'm here to install Road Angel Halo Pro and the Pure in this Mercedes C-Class coupe. Okay, step one, I'm going to be taking that side trim off and that A-post pillar off. Okay, I'm going to run my rear camera cable down and also run the Pure cable down, front camera cable down. Once I've wired that all up, check the angles of my camera to make sure I've got it the right way up, and then slowly start boxing it from back to front. Depending on the vehicle, but you're looking roughly around about 45 to 50 minutes, front and rear. No, it wouldn't, because the engine switched off, there is no power going to the devices, so there is no chance for it to drain the battery. The Pure, it literally takes about 20 minutes, half hour. Of course, pop into our store in Car Audio Centre to remove it and put it into your new car.